Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel Made by Yoma. If you are new to my channel, I hope you enjoy this video and learn something new from this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel if you like this video. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to make a mini bucket hat. So this pattern is really easy and it is very cute to see. It can be used as a keychain or some home decor. You can use it as a wall hanging. So the options are many. Let's see what are the things we would need. We would need an acrylic yarn, a scissor and a crochet hook. Here I'm using 3 crochet hook. So first let's get started. So to begin with, take the tail end of the yarn and make sure you leave about 5 to 6 inches long, and then start working with a magic circle because we would need a loop on top of the bucket hat, so which can be hooked to the keychain. So that's the reason I'm leaving that much length as the tail end. So first make the magic circle and then into the magic circle. This is a magic circle. You can also check out my video on Crochet Basics in which I have explained about magic circle. So then let's make 12 single crochet here. So for single crochet we have to insert into the circle, grab the yarn and pull through the circle. Now we have two loops in the yarn over and pull through both the two loops. So this forms a single crochet, and so let's do that again. Insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull the yarn. Now we have two loops, and now yarn over, pull through the two loops. So this forms a single crochet. So we have made two single crochets now, and I'm going to continue and do 10 more single crochets here. So I have made 12 single crochets here. I'm going to pull the string a little bit, the tail end a little bit, so that we are closer to the first stitch. So this is the first chain, that is our first single crochet. Insert the hook into under both the strands of the chain. So we have the front loop and back loop, right? So insert beneath both the strands and grab the yarn. So just make sure you don't grab the tail end. So grab the yarn, working yarn, and pull through the chain and pull through the loop. So this is a slip stitch. So we have around 12 single crochets here. In the next step we have to make two single crochet in each of the chain space. So that means in the end we have 24 single crochet. So this is the first single crochet and second single crochet, and this is the first single crochet and the second single crochet into the same chain. So I'm going to continue to do until I'm done with this round. At the end I have 24 single crochet. So I have one more chain left here. So this is my last chain. So under this chain space I'm gonna do the last two single crochet. This is one single crochet and this one is the second single crochet. Now I'm gonna make a slip stitch into the first chain space. So we are done with round 2 here. So at the end of this round we have 24 single crochet. So now we have to do one single crochet in each of the chain space, and we have to do that till 8 rows. So let's start. So this is the first single crochet, and this will be the second single crochet, and then we have the third single crochet into this chain space, and then the fourth single crochet. So similarly I'm going to continue and complete this round. I'll show you how it looks. So I have done 24 single crochet here. I'm going to make the slip stitch into the very first stitch of this round, and I'm done with round 3. So next we have to complete the same pattern, that is one single crochet in each of the chain stitch from round 4 to round 8, and I'll meet you once I'm done with round 8. So guys, I have made 8 rounds here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So completed 8 rounds here, and this is how the mini hat looks. We are going to do an increase here. So first let's make a single crochet into the first chain, and one more single crochet into the same chain space, and then into the next chain space we just have to make one single crochet, and into the next chain space we have to make an increase, that is two single crochet, one and two. So into the next chain we have to make one single crochet, and into the next two single crochet. So we have to alternatively make two single crochets and continue to do this all throughout this round, and in the end we will have 24 plus 12, we have 36 single crochets in round 9. So we started with two single crochets, right? So now we are going to end round number 9. So into the last chain space I'm going to make one single crochet, and with that round 9 is complete. So I'll make a slip stitch into the very first chain of this round, and so now that we are getting this curvy shape of the hat. Now we have to make one single crochet in each of the chain space for this round, that is round number 10. So this is the first chain space. I made one single crochet, and into the second chain space make another single crochet, and into the third chain space a single crochet. So similarly we have to continue all throughout this round, and we should be having 36 single crochet in this round. I will meet you once I'm done with this round. So guys, I have completed round 10 here, and I'm going to make the slip stitch into the very first stitch of this round, and you can see you will be able to easily fold this last two rounds because we have made an increase, right? And that gives us the shape of a hat, and I'm gonna make some zigzag pattern at, as the last round so that we will get this beautiful finish. So let's see how to make that. So this is our round number 11. So for the 11th round we have to make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. So this is our next stitch. So here go and make a slip stitch, and then chain 1 and make a slip stitch into our next chain space. and make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into our next chain space. So make chain 1, slip stitch into the next chain space. So like this we have to complete this round, and I will meet you once I'm done with this round. So pause the video and you can go ahead and complete this round, and I will meet you at the end of this round. So I've completed round 11 here. As you can see, I'm at the last stitch, and I'm gonna complete this with the slip stitch here. So this is the starting of round 11. So I'm completing it here, and then I'll make chain 1 and pull the yarn a little bit so that we can sew it at the back side, and cut the yarn. So now I'll show you how to work at the back side. So insert into adjacent loops and bring the yarn. So repeat this for about 4 to 5 times, and then you can cut the yarn. So now I'm going to show you how to make the loop on the top. So just pull the yarn, which is from the magic circle, and then bring it to the top, and make sure you have enough space to um loop a keychain or to any other hanging. And on the flip side, make a knot so that it stands, the loop on the front side stands firm. See, if you pull the loop, it should not get into the hole. So now I'm going to work on the remaining tail end the same way we did before, and then cut the excess yarn. So with this, the pattern is complete. So alternatively we can decorate the hat. Here I'm using a simple thread, a contrasting color thread, to decorate the hat. So it's up to you, like how you want to decorate. You can use beads, or you can use satin ribbons. So or you can use the same color yarn to decorate. Here I'm making a simple bow pattern here, a simple knot, and I'm gonna finish this off. So I hope you guys like this video and the mini hat pattern. So this can be a very good gift to your friend's birthday party and so on. Please share it with your friends and family if you really like this video. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you for watching.